Hi guys, in previous section we learned the benefits of using automated testing cloud and integrated our project with South Labs. Today we are starting section number 4, Selenium Community. This will be the very short section where we will learn how we can keep improving our Selenium and test automation skills. Today in this video we will talk about different online Selenium related groups and chats. Let's start with LinkedIn. If you do not have profile there, I suggest you create one. You can connect there with other test automation professionals and learn something from them. Here on LinkedIn are few of my favorites QA and test automation related groups. People post interesting stuff there about Selenium, ask questions and give different ideas. So software testing and quality assurance group, QA and testing group, and test automation group. And you can learn a lot of new stuff here. Scroll down, open topics, whatever you are interested in. Just read, participate, reply, suggest, stuff like that. I suggest you subscribe here for free weekly emails with Selenium tips and tricks on this Elemental Selenium website. Also, the internet app that we used in our course for practice was developed by Dave and few other Selenium enthusiasts. Besides LinkedIn groups and blogs, there are different Selenium related chats. One of my favorites is Selenium Slack chat. So here's the link to register there. And if you have Slack account, I suggest you join this chat room and introduce yourself here. Also, do not forget about meetup.com, where you can find local Selenium or testing related meetups in your area, so you can meet other test automation professionals in person, create new connections and hopefully learn some new things.